Hello everyone, how's it going today? Today I'm going to be putting in these Pioneer tweeters. All you're going to need is just a little plastic pry tool and kind of a stub Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm going to bust open this box and get into it. Alright, so I have my two tweeters here, and it comes with the resistors as well. Now what this resistor does is it prevents low frequencies from coming in and damaging the tweeter itself. Then I also bought this adapter kit. This adapter comes with the correct plug, and that way it's just a plug and play. The only thing I have to do though is I noticed that there's no connection on this end, so I'm gonna have to splice that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and splice it to the cable here and get to it. Alright, I now have all of my splicing done. One thing to look out for is that my connections were swapped with the actual vehicle connections. So I'm talking about the positive and negative here. So I kind of have it flipped the way that it should be. But we'll go ahead and move on. And installing the speaker, basically you'll use your pry tool. You'll dig it in here, pry this portion up. And then you have two Phillips head screws. So you'll use your stub screwdriver. You'll take these out. From there, you're able to lift up your speaker. And you'll see we have a connection right here. Now mine came out easy because I already had it unplugged. That way it made it easier one-handed to show you. But if you look right here, there's a little push clip. So this will be inside the speaker. You'll use a little push clip right here. Pull it straight out. So all we have to do now is basically just set the new one in. So I now have my speaker connected and set in, and what I do like is that this was a perfect replacement piece here. You can see it has the two holes already set up for me to put in the screws. Basically just simply set in the screws and pop on the cover and we're good to go. So I now have the screws in and gonna move over and do the other one. Probably just do it here off camera because it's the same exact process. Now what I am going to do is leave the covers off, that way I can test the speakers prior to actually putting everything all back together. Alright, so I'm just putting this last cover back on. Everything worked really well. Oh, and as you can see here, I'm just show you that you need to pop in the actual back of the cover first versus putting in the front, because whenever you do that it sticks up a little bit. So I'm gonna fix this here. There we go. Everything in, snap it back down. Alright, so there we go. But I'll include the link for these adaptation wires here. And everything's working well, a lot louder, a lot crisper than what it was before. So anyone who's looking to do the upgrade on the tweeters, I would recommend it. These Pioneers are definitely a solid choice, as well as a little budget friendly as well. But always, happy driving and enjoy.